What's going on there, team? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys exactly how to land ATM contracts, but more importantly, actually how to get paid the cheddar with them ATM contracts, ladies and gentlemen, so stay tuned for this video. If you haven't already, make sure and go like this video, go smash that subscribe button down there. Help your boy out to gain some subscribers. I appreciate and love each and every single one of you guys. This channel is mainly about finances, it is about money, it is about entrepreneurship, and it is mainly about the ATM business because you guys have so many questions. Come to me to where I genuinely want to answer these questions for free for every single one of you guys. As you guys saw in the title, in the description of this video, as well as the thumbnail, it is talking about how to get paid that cheddar, that cash, that coin for an ATM contract. You know, a lot of reasons why I'm gonna share this business model for you guys is just simply because a lot of you guys, some people just don't actually simply have the money for an ATM. Or some people are like, Austin, I can scale this so fast, so quick, so simple, so easy, but I just don't have the cash flow. Or I don't have the amount of ATMs to purchase or the amount of money to keep loading these ATMs to be able to keep up with my potential business. Ladies and gentlemen, Eric called me. Let's call him really quick and see what he actually needs. He's been calling me a couple of times, just so you guys know. We're gonna bring him in on here. For those of you that don't know Eric.
Hey Nick, where's Mariah Nails? I can't, my Google bitch can't find it. She told me on Bell Road. No, it's not on Bell Road.
Mariah Nails is on North 3rd Street, my friend. I'm gonna send you the address. How does that sound, Eric?
That'd be really great, because I'm having problems.
I love it. He's installing an ATM topper, ladies and gentlemen. I just texted you the address to that location, my friend.
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
All right, buddy. Thanks, bye.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye. He's installing a topper for one of our clients at their actual nail spa. So, anyways, if you guys have questions about ATM toppers, there's other videos inside my YouTube that you guys can go check out what actual ATM toppers are. Now, anyways, getting back to the video for each and every single one of you, or for you particularly. Again, a lot of people cannot generate the amount of cash flow that it is that they're looking for, or maybe a lot of people are just interested in a side business, or maybe they're interested in actually getting some more commissions, right? And just understanding and seeing that entirely. And so, you know, it was kind of funny. Austin and I kind of sat down and we said, hey, you know, we want to scale our ATM company. We want to scale our ATM portfolio. How can we generate an opportunity for every single person that watches us on YouTube, every single person that, you know, follows us on Instagram, every single person that's an actual true hustler, every single person that wants to get into the business? How can we generate an opportunity for them? Austin actually kind of we finally came up with that, and that was get paid for ATM contracts. Now, a lot of you that are actually watching this video probably already do get paid for contracts via our company. But again, we will pay you X amount of dollars depending on a bunch of criterias, depending on the business, depending on the surcharge, depending on the foot traffic, depending on the contract, depending on where the location. We'll pay you X to get a contract signed allowing us to place an ATM in there. That way we can provide that for our clients. Now, why would you want to get paid per contract? Ladies and gentlemen, the reason you'd want to get paid per contract is so you can generate extra cash flow. Where rather than you just going and placing an ATM in every single location that you get, you are now placing an ATM, cherry picking the best deal and actually giving away the other deals that maybe you can't manhandle. Did you like that? Maybe you don't have the cash flow. Let's just say you could get 50 contracts in 1 month. Let's just say that, but you can't actually get 50 ATMs, nor can you load 50 ATMs, nor do you really want to load 50 ATMs. That is a reason to generate cash flow by producing volume and actual giving value. And now a lot of you guys are like, Austin, where would I even make money? I get a contract signed. Now obviously this contract has to generate revenue. This contract definitely has to make this business owner or ourselves money, right? If I buy a contract from you and I place my ATM inside that location and it does not generate revenue, I just lost a bunch of money. And then I gotta move it, I gotta find a new location, etc., etc. So there is requirements before we buy an ATM contract from you. There are requirements that have to be met by this contract, by this business, by this foot traffic, by all these informations, or all these steps. Again, go look at ATM contracts inside one of my other videos if that's something that interests you, on what we look for inside that, what our minimum is inside that. And I share that with you guys because, again, we're not gonna just buy every contract. We're gonna buy contracts that actually make financial sense for us. Again, we've been doing this business for a long time, so we actually truly do understand what it takes inside of a business to actually generate some passive income for an ATM every single month. It's no longer a guessing game for us. Sometimes it is to other individuals. So why go get contracts? Because now you're in the habit of getting contracts. So when you are making X amount of dollars every single contract that you sell or that you give to us or we buy from you, you then in turn are saving that money. If you didn't go see that video, go watch that last video. You are then saving a bunch of money, earning a bunch of money, and saving a bunch of money by getting these contracts that to then generate and push back into your ATM business. The number one reason people don't get started in the ATM business is just because of the money. Most people don't have the money. So how can you get into the business for free? You can get into the business for free by landing contracts, bringing them to us, laying out what it is that that contract has to offer, what that location has to offer for us. We then pay you for that contract. We place our ATM inside that contract. You personally walk away with X amount of dollars to where if you do that X amount of times, you then can purchase an ATM. Not only that, it gets you in the habit. It gets you in the field, ladies and gentlemen, to where you're actually going out there and dominating the ATM business. Again, it's a step, it's a start for each and every single one of you. I'm not saying that's what you have to do. I'm just advising you that it might be something that you want to do. That was a good one-liner, Noah. That was solid. We'll have to write that down. If you haven't already, go write that down. Shoot me a DM of what that said because I'm going to rewatch this video because that was really freaking good, ladies and gentlemen. Again, getting contracts allows you to earn income because those contracts will always be worth money because those contracts, assuming that they follow the lines, the guidelines, they will always produce revenue for our personal ATM company. Again, the beautiful thing about our contract business is there's never too many contracts. If you get 50 contracts in 1 month, we will pay you X amount for 50 contracts. We can buy hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of contracts with how our business works and how our scalability works inside our personal ATM portfolio. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We just busted out some YouTube videos. Hopefully you guys got a chance to go check out my other videos if you haven't already. Make sure and go like this video, go subscribe to your boy because your boy needs some more subscribers. To all the new people here, go ahead and shoot me a DM on Instagram. I love connecting with each and every single one of you guys. I absolutely love when you shoot me a message on Instagram and say, hey bro, just bought an ATM through your company, just got started in your ATM mastery course, or hey, just sent you guys your support an email wanting to get involved in the workshop. If you haven't already, if you guys don't know this, on April 18th, we're actually doing an ATM event, first ever ATM event in the history in the US of A, put on by millennials, for millennials that want to get inside the ATM business. So if you guys are interested in purchasing an ATM, shoot us an email below, support@atmmastery.com, as well as if you're interested in April 18th event. April 18th is on a Saturday. Shoot us an email below. We're going to be flying in guys that own Perpetual Media. We're going to be flying in guys that might be coming from CDS, Columbia Data Services. We're going to be coming with a bunch of heavy hitters inside the ATM business. People are going to be traveling from all over the world. So make sure and email me or shoot me a DM on Instagram because I love replying to each and every single one of you guys. Again, each of us is one of us is all of us, man. We're all going to go crush this thing. We'll see you guys in some future videos.